Good day to everyone. My name is Luarjan Damasca, your presenter for today, and I will discuss the scientific revolution that happened on the early modern period. So first and foremost, let me simply ask a question. What does scientific revolution means? The scientific revolution was defined as a series of events that marked the emergence of modern science during the 16th and 17th centuries, in which the developments of mathematics, physics, astronomy, biology, and chemistry transformed the views of society about nature. It replaced the Greek view of nature that had dominated science for almost 2,000 years. The scientific revolution began in Europe toward the end of the Renaissance period and continued through the late 18th century, influencing the intellectual social movement known as the Enlightenment. The publication in 1543 of Nicolaus Copernicus' De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium, or translated in English on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres, is often cited as the marking of the beginning of the scientific revolution. So who is Nicolaus Copernicus? Nicolaus Copernicus was a Polish astronomer who is most famous for his contribution in establishing the heliocentric nature of the solar system. His theory led to the Copernican revolution, or the paradigm shift from the Ptolemaic model of the heavens to the heliocentric model with the sun at the center of the solar system, began with the publication of Copernicus on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres and ended with Newton's work over a century later. In the year 1545, in mathematics, Hieronymo Cardano's The Great Art contained many algebraic innovations and new methods for treating equations of the third degree. In 1596, Gresham College, founded by the London merchant Sir Thomas Gresham, was designed to provide public lectures on a variety of subjects from astronomy and geometry to concerns in medicine. The year 1603, the Holy Roman Emperor Rudolf II becomes the patron of Johannes Kepler, who thus becomes imperial mathematician. In his first publication in astronomy, Johannes Kepler's Cosmographic Mystery presented a stridently Copernican worldview dedicated to drawing together mathematical astronomy, physics, and a quasi-Pythagorean religious perspective in hope of a new astronomy. The 17th century saw an unprecedented explosion of mathematical and scientific ideas across Europe, a period sometimes called the Age of Reason. Hard on the heels of the Copernican revolution of Nicolaus Copernicus, in the 16th century, scientists like Galileo Galilei, Tycho Brahe, and Johannes Kepler were making equally revolutionary discoveries in the exploration of the solar system, leading to Kepler's formulation of mathematical laws of planetary motion. Willibrord Cornelius found the mathematical law of refraction, now known as Snell's law, in 1621. Subsequently, Descartes showed, by using geometrics, construction, and the law of refraction, also known as Descartes' law, that the angular radius of a rainbow is 42 degrees. He also independently discovered the law of reflection. Furthermore, René Descartes was a French mathematician and philosopher and one of the key figures in the scientific revolution. Also in 1637, one of the classic essays of the century, Descartes' Discourse on Method, was published along with his geometry.